Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher here, and I welcome you on behalf of classteacher.com. This website is basically to help students on the academic material and academic studies. In this question series by Class Teacher, we will be discussing the questions with their answers. Apart from this, we will be also discussing the topics on different subjects. All of the questions which we are discussing here, the link is added in the description and are also posted on the website, so you can check on the website to get the answers as well. So let's start the question. We'll be starting the question. So for our today's question, okay, so we have another question here. A customer opened a file attachment and now her PC infected with ransomware. She is unable to open any of her file. Which action would you take first? We have 5 options here. Reinstall the operating system, run an antivirus scan, pay the ransom to recover the data, disconnect the PC from the network, restore files from the data. So the first option which we will like to do is disconnect the PC from the network. This is the answer of the question, because a customer's PC has been attacked with attack using ransomware after she opened a document file. She has been unable to access any of her files. She had first to detach the PC from the system to access the files. So the correct answer is option D. Okay, so if you are having any trouble finding the answer of your questions, academic questions, and you're facing difficulty to get the answers and solution for your academic questions and any problem, you can always go to the classteacher.com. It's a website for academic homework help material. You will find the questions in the search box we have mentioned and marked for you. If you are looking for any question, you can go to the website and search for your question. If it is available, that's good. If it isn't available, you can always submit the question in the ask question section. You can ask from us and we will gladly like to answer you. We thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share, and support classteacher.com so we can keep helping the students around the globe. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you. Signing off, Mr. Smart.